Sampers are in warm-up stage to see, to take the opportunity to take their holy dip. Just waiting for the sufficient warmth to get and have a dip. Such a mammoth gathering of human beings, the highest ever gathering on the earth. Wherever you can see, you will find people, and people. This is the Triveni Ghat. And here's a young man who is just preparing to take a dip.
अरे हटाओ ना यार, तुम लोग क्या माथा चाट रहा है? चलो दो, सब नहीं चलना है, दूध लेकर चला है.
Offering water to sun, the source of energy on this earth. This is trusted to be seen. This is seen to be trusted. Such a mammoth gathering of human beings, the highest ever gathering on the earth. Wherever you can see, you will find people, and people. This is the Triveni Ghat. And here's a young man who is just preparing to take a dip.
अरे हटाओ ना यार, तुम लोग क्या माथा चाट रहा है? चलो दो, सब नहीं चलना है, दूध लेकर चला है.
Offering water to sun, the source of energy on this earth. Today the gathering of the people is towards the lower side. And when the gathering is towards the lower side, you see sea of people. The river is as magnificent as ever. And so are the people and the devotees here, because the magnificence of the Triveni is radiated, and people in their devotion are recipients of the radiance of the Divine Mother, the radiance of Divine Shiva. This is Triveni, where three rivers have merged together to form oneness, the oneness of Sanatana. Sanatana is one. Everything to love, nothing to shun. That is Sanatan. Sanatan is the spirit of existence. Sanatan is the definition of nature, because nature exists without hating any factor of its creation. So is Sanatan. Sanatan hates none. Sanatan loves all. From here, I would like to say what is written in Indian Constitution as secularism. It must be written as Sanatan. The Sanatan must be the definition of Indian Constitution. Sanatan, Sanatan and Sanatan. Sanatan is what reflects that it is unison for everybody, not only with humans, but everything that's on this earth. That is Sanatan. So, it is in due course of time I feel that the secularism will be replaced by the term Sanatan. Jai Sanatan. Thank you. It is a sea of people going here, and there are two lanes. Some people travel from this side and the other side, another row of people. That means everybody is requested to keep left. This is Nandini Dwar. Well, this is the door that directly leads to Triveni Sangam. I don't know what more doors come on the way to Triveni Sangam.
शास्त्री से उठाना सेक्टर नंबर 4 पर पहुंच जाएं। आपके
The Indian street athlete, just a little girl, showing her gymnastic skills. This is the biggest gathering of people anywhere in the world. Gathering in the Kumbh. 40 lakh people have already taken a bath. 40 crore people, sorry, not 40 lakh. 40 crore people have already taken a bath. And most expectedly it may reach somewhere near 75 crores. All facilities are available in the Mela area. What they call Mela Khetra. Here is a selfie point. You see people come here, throng here just to take pictures. It is beyond imagination to see the immaculate arrangements to handle such a big crowd. Jai Shri Ram. Some people finally succeed in just standing where the main background is there. I also try to capture by reverse camera. This is the book that has been given to me free of cost. The ISKCON people are distributing books free, and they are announcing on loudspeakers, come and collect the book of Krishna, the Bhagavad Gita. We are just nearing the main door, main gate of Kumbh. This is Kachipur Dwar. From here, vehicles are not allowed to go in. Up to this point, one can manage some VIP pass or something of that sort to carry vehicles. This is the point where every vehicle is stopped. Only very special vehicles on duty are allowed to go ahead from this point. This is the Sangam Dwar. I don't know how many doors, how many gates are settled to be there. Settled we have to pass through and reach the Ghat for the holy dip. This is Sangam Dwar. ये भाई मेरे पास तो वो है फ़ोन से देने वाला पैसा, वैसा पैसा दे
फोन वाला हमारे पास
तो फिर मेरे पास तो पैसा नहीं, फिर क्या करूँ?
क्या करें?
तब क्या तू नहीं लेगा पैसा फिर? चलो ठीक है, ले लो ले लो ले लो मैं बस ले लो पैसे, ले लो पैसे, ले लो पैसे दे के ही जाऊँगा, ऐसे थोड़ी है। तो ये मैं तो लेती वीडियो किसको से जवान लो पैसे लो, प्लीज आके वीडियो लो लो। This is the biggest gathering of people anywhere in the world. Gathering in the Kumbh. 40 lakh people have already taken a bath. 40 crore people, sorry, it's not 40 lakh. 40 crore people have already taken a bath. And most expectedly, it may reach somewhere near 75 crores. You can see the lines and lines and lines and lines standing in queues and queues and queues and queues to just have the darshan of Hanuman Mandir. You see the queues in distance, but the arrangements are fine to avoid any stampede. People are patiently waiting in queues. There at the distance is Hanuman Mandir.